The following lines are parallel, perpendicular, the same, both parallel and perpendicular, or none of the above. To find whether these two lines are parallel or perpendicular, we need to find the slope. For the first line, we know the slope is the coefficient in front of the x. Therefore, the slope is 2/3. For the slope of the second line, we can solve the equation for y and find the slope. So we have 2x plus 27 equals -3y. Again, we want to solve for y, so we need to divide this -3y by a -3 and do that again to the left side. So we have y is equal to, this fraction can be split up into two fractions. So we have 2x divided by a -3 plus 27 divided by a -3. Let's rewrite this as y equals -2/3 x plus a -9. The slope is the coefficient in front of the x, so -2/3 is the slope of the second line. Comparing these two slopes, we see that they are not the same. We have 2/3 and -2/3. Therefore, the two lines are not parallel. To solve whether these two lines are perpendicular, their product must be -1. So 2/3 times a -2/3 must be equal to a -1. Multiplying fractions, we multiply across. So 2 times 2 is 4, all divided by 3 times 3 is 9, and that negative is still in front. And -4/9 does not equal -1, therefore the lines are not perpendicular. For the lines to be the same, they must have the same equation. Y equals 2/3 x plus 9 is not equal to y equaling -2/3 x minus 9. Therefore, the lines are not the same. And the answer is none of the above.